Hello everyone, this is Matinik, and today I have this Kawa Mini 3 dash camera that I got from Amazon, and let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, we have this lighter charger or power supply. We have a user's guide and the USB cable. So the one I got doesn't come with a memory card, so I'll put a memory card shortly. Okay. Alright, let's try setting it up with my phone. I just downloaded the Kawa Auto, so no registration required, just download it and open. And then I'm gonna add Kawa Dashcam Mini 3. I already turned it on. Okay, put the blue light. Okay.
Power button to authorize.
Okay, press the power on, entering English.
Please insert your micro SD card.
Okay, let's just see the video quality. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Okay. Let's go and check some settings. So audio recording, voice control, speaker volume, recording time. I'll put 3 minutes, the maximum. Advanced settings. Okay. Okay, I'll leave this one no auto power. Sync your phone time. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no other. There you have, guys. This is just a quick unboxing and pretty much easy setup of the Kawa Mini 3 tiny dash cam. If you have a question about this mini dash cam, just let me know. Put a comment on the description or the comment section below, and then I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching. This is Matinik. Have a great day to you guys.
Right in lanes. Another debris, large piece of tire tread on the 60 eastbound through Rolling Heights, just past Fairway, also in the fast lane that left.